It's too early. He come early. 1 month early. Wow guys, snow. Snow. Keep cleaning si Batoy. Let's go guys. Oh boy. Napaaga ang ano natin guys. Napaaga oh. Napaaga ang ating snow. Wala na, hindi na tayo makapag-bike guys. Look at that trees. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, daanan. Oh, wala na. Oh, babagsak ng dahon. Lilis tayo. Let's go walking. Wala nang bike. Wala na scooter. Wala na bike. Wala na scooter. Hello, hello. Oh, lala. Andito na mo tayo sa pinaka worst na season. Dangerous season. Look at this. Look at that. It's nice. Oh boy. Kailan tayo makakarating na ito guys? Let's go, walk, walk, walk. Wet snow lang kagabi eh. Grabe. Grabe, paano tayo makakarating? Ganito ang lakad natin. Wow. Wow. Papakinod na kun. Umpisa pa lang yan guys. Umpisa pa lang yan. Wala pa sa kalingkingan. Wow. Isang das-das lang daanan natin oh. Pag may kasalubong tayo, mag-stop muna siya. Pag sunod-sunod, sunod ka na lang. Kung hindi, mag-overtake. Madulas. Madulas po. Madulas. Grabe ito ang storm. First storm. First storm. Wow. May mga dahon pa oh. Oh. Hello everyone. Another vlog. It's the first heavy storm 2025. Aray ko, hindi tayo makahinga. Need to remove the scarf. Look at this. It's a first heavy storm. Grabe. No choice guys, no choice talaga. Mag-work ang iyong muscle dito. Mag-work mga muscle mo. Wala pang asin, no? I feel madulas. Ang ganda ng tree, guys, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Puro snow yan. Ayun pa mga dahon na, oh, guys, oh. Natakpan na ng snow. Napaagang snow natin. 1.5 months. Dapat before December pa darating snow. Pero this time, this year, it came early. Yep, it came early. Dapat came early, matapos early. Diba? Wow, terrible. Ito na ayaw ko, guys. Ito ayaw ko na season. Grabe. Wow, look at that. Very nice view. Look at the pine tree, the car. Both side. Now tropic. It's rush hour. It's early in the morning. Walang asin, no? Madulas talaga. Para tayong kumakapa sa kangkungan. Para tayong kumakapa sa kangkungan. Pero mga kids, gustong-gusto nila yung ganito, guys. Mga kids, mga bata, gustong-gusto nila ng mais, no? Gusto nila maglaro, ganun. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Look at that. Oh man. First is snow, heavy snow. 2025. Ang dahon. Natambak na isang corner ng dahon, guys. Hindi na nakuha. Para tayong sumusuksok sa ilalim ng punuan. Wow. Wow. Talagang wow, guys. Wow na wow. Wala. Mga ibang cars po, wala, hindi pa nakapag-change tire. Biglaan kasi ang snow. Hindi pa sila nakapag-change tire, mga iba. O nahirapan sila umahon. If they don't have yet the winter tire. Oh wow. Someone cleaning it with snow. There, the big truck. Umpisa na. Magtambak niya sa corner. Wow! Nakakatakot. Nakakatakot. Dito tayo shortcut. Look at this. And look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Ito may asin na po dito. Daanan po ng tao. May asin na po yan. Ito yung box ng asin, oh. Yan, yan. Diyan sila kakain. Kukuha ng asin. There's an electric charger for the car. Opo. Wow! Come on! Oh, laki ah. Laki ng gulong, oh. Pang ano talaga, heavy duty. Madulas po talaga, guys. Bagong kayod yung ano, yung snow. Madulas yung ilalim, yung pinaka kinaskas. Para kang Imagine nyo yung guys, yung nagkakaskas kayo ng panghalo-halo. Yun, yung madulas yun. Napakan ko. Napakinodnak. Upo. Grabe. They're cleaning up. There's around the mall. They're cleaning around the mall, guys. Front of the mall. Whoa! Grabe. Sige. Pala. Pala. Pala pa more. Oh, pala siya, guys. Mga employee, mga workers. Exercise na rin, di ba? Yan oh. Oh. Ayan oh. Hirap guys, mahirap ang buhay. Mahirap ang buhay dito. Huwag na kayo pumunta. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.